welcome back to my channel, guys. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Today I'll be changing the Bose air cushion. As you can see, we have had this for some time, so now it's time to do some replacement. We have purchased on Amazon. The link will be in the description. Feel free to click the link below. We're going to start off with the right side. As you can see, the R. So first thing we have to do is to remove the old cushion. You simply push your finger from inside and release. Right, this is the old one. Put that aside. Then we're going to remove the lining, which is basically a protector from sweat and dust. A bit of adhesive here. We just try to remove that somewhat. We want to try to put it back in the same spot, right? So this is the right side. This is the right side. It has some adhesive here. Try to remove this piece. Then remove the other piece right here. Then we're gonna stick it down. Make sure that it's aligned with where you remove. Right. This is just a protector, just to cover the speaker. Right. Make sure it sticks down. Now we're going to put on the right side. Right, so basically there's no adhesive on this side. You know, we basically just push it down until you hear a click. Right, because there's some clips underneath as you go along. As I said, this was purchased on Amazon, so feel free to click the link below. As we push it down, we hear the click. Very easy to put on. Right, so we have completed the first side. Now we're going to the left side. First thing you got to do is to remove. When you lift, you will hear the clips release. Right? This is the old one. We put it aside. Then we have the left lining to remove. There's a bit of adhesive still sticking here. Got to remove that. Excellent, so that part is out. Then we just remove this part here. Now we're going to stick down the left side. Right, we want to make sure that it sticks exactly where we removed it from. As I said this before, this is a lining to protect the speakers, right? Now we're going to basically, this thing came with it, but you don't have to use this if you don't want. Make sure that it sticks underneath the clips. Make sure it's lined up properly. Right. right? So there we have it. It's all ready to go again, brand new again, ready to go again. You could listen to your music. Thank you guys for watching. As I said, the link will be in the description. Please remember to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. Thank you.